Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is abbreviate. It's pronounced A-bre-v-ate, and it is spelt A-B-B-R-E-V-I-A-T-E. Think ab with two B's, then re, then v, spelt V-I, and then ate, the past tense of to eat. To abbreviate means to shorten a word, phrase, or text. An abbreviation is typically a shortened form of words used to represent the whole. For example, the letters D-R are used to abbreviate the word doctor, whilst the letters P-R-O-F are used to abbreviate professor. This is not to be confused with an acronym. An acronym contains a set of initial letters that usually form another word. For example, the acronym LOL is used to express the words laugh out loud. Other examples include DOB for date of birth and FYI, which means for your information. The word abbreviate comes from the Latin abbreviatus, meaning to make shorter. Here are some common abbreviations that you might have already heard. KM for kilometers, COL for colonel, GEOG for geography, LIT for literature, ST for saint, and vocab for vocabulary. We actually use that in the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show. Abbreviate is a verb and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, when writing the date, you can abbreviate October to OCT or OCT. Or you could say, learning to abbreviate long words will help you learn to type faster. Abbreviate is defined in the dictionary as to make a word or phrase shorter by using only the first letters of each word. Abbreviate synonyms include shorten, reduce, cut, contract, condense, compress, clip, crop, and shrink. Antonyms include lengthen, expand, elongate, and extend. See if you can notice any abbreviations today, or if you want to communicate a point quickly, you can start using abbreviations. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.